India has emerged as a global leader in the adoption of artificial intelligence for personal health, with a striking 85% of consumers already using AI-powered tools, far ahead of major developed markets. A new report revealed on Tuesday, according to a study by Boston Consulting Group titled "Consumers Are Ready for AI-Enabled Healthcare. Health System Needs to Be Too." Indian users are embracing generative AI at a pace unmatched globally. The report, based on survey over 13,000 consumers across 15 countries, highlighted that India's adoption rate significantly surpassed that of United States at 50%, the UK at 43%, and Japan at 34%. Globally, nearly 60% of respondents says that already they are using AI for health-related purposes, but India stands out as a fortuner, reflecting a growing comfort with digital tools in healthcare. The report also noted that younger generation are driving this rapid adoption. Around 78% of Gen Z respondents and 71% of millennials reported using AI for health-related tasks. Bureau Report News Now.